One of the reasons why ChatGPT is giving you slow responses is because you're using a very long conversation. One of the ways to fix this is to delete the conversation and start a new one. If you don't mind starting a new conversation with ChatGPT, this can solve your problem. However, the problem is that you'll be losing the history of the chat. An option you have is to ask ChatGPT to write a summary. You can write, for example, write a summary of our conversation history. You can then use that summary to start a new conversation and delete the old one. However, this will not be the same as maintaining the same chat history. Another way to fix this, and which personally I consider best, is to press the Windows key or click on the Windows icon, search for Microsoft Store and click on it, and search for ChatGPT. Select the app and click on Install. By using the ChatGPT app instead of the web version, ChatGPT can better use the resources needed for its responses, allowing you to keep your conversation history and get faster responses. Like and subscribe to support my work, and is there any other solution you need? Tell me in the comments.